Here is a Chinese cold sesame cucumber salad for 2 servings, ready in 10 minutes. A raw, crunchy side dressed with sesame and soy. 1 English cucumber. Trim the ends and wash it thoroughly. 2 cloves of garlic, peeled. 1 tablespoon of toasted sesame seeds. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. 1 teaspoon of rice vinegar. 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. 1 teaspoon of sugar. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 1/4 teaspoon of chili oil, optional for heat. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Cut the English cucumber into thin rounds about 3 mm thick. Place the slices in a mixing bowl. Sprinkle 1/4 teaspoon of salt over the cucumber. Toss gently and let it sit for 5 minutes to draw out excess water. Mince 2 cloves of garlic finely. In a small bowl combine 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of rice vinegar, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and the minced garlic. Add 1 tablespoon of toasted sesame seeds and 1/4 teaspoon of chili oil if using. Stir the dressing until the sugar dissolves. After 5 minutes, pour off the liquid drawn from the cucumber and gently pat the slices dry with a paper towel. Pour the dressing over the cucumber and toss with chopsticks or a spoon until the slices are evenly coated. Taste and add a pinch more salt or a dash more rice vinegar if needed. Chill the salad in the refrigerator for 5 minutes before serving for best texture. Transfer the dressed cucumber to the serving bowl and sprinkle an extra ½ tablespoon of toasted sesame seeds on top. Garnish with thinly sliced scallion if desired and serve cold. This is the final step. Enjoy and please like and subscribe and hit the bell for more recipes. Here is the finished Chinese cold sesame cucumber salad for 2 servings, ready in 10 minutes. If you liked this quick recipe, please like and subscribe and click the bell for more.